Idesha, located in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, na along the road yung location. Dumadaan na po dyan yung bus papuntang Manila, Balintawak, Monumento, and Divisoria. Ayan guys, ito po yung magiging entrada or entrance nyo, malawak, dito sa Idesha, San Jose del Monte. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda ng location no, along the road guys. Oh. Tapos may maganda tayong office dito. Ayan. Sige, itutour ko kayo guys habang papasok tayo. So, pag nag-visit po kayo sa Idesha, nagpa-schedule kayo sa akin ng tripping at least 1 to 2 days before. Kasi bawal po ditong mag-walk-in guys, okay? So nakikita niyo itong magandang design. Very elegant yung ating Idesha showroom, oh. Wow! Tingnan niyo yan guys, oh. Tingnan niyo dyan. Yan po yung ating showroom. Ayan. Magpa-schedule kayo sa akin guys at least 1 to 2 days before para ma-assist ko kayo directly. Okay, wag po tayo mag-walk-in. And ayan po, para to save your time, money, and effort na ma-assist kayo sa lahat ng kailangan nyo when purchasing your home. I'll be the one to assist you, okay? My name is Nicole. So let's go and have our house tour and update for Idesha, San Jose del Monte today, guys. Let's go. So guys, there you have it. It's Nicole. And I'm your go-to Bulacan Realtor. Nakita niyo naman, di ba guys, at the beginning of this video, I showed you yung entrance location ni Idesha sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Yun nga, ang number one advantage for this project is yung kanyang location. Along the road, easy access, walang history ng flood, and at the same time, complete amenities po to. Meron tayong amphitheater, swimming pool, clubhouse, parks and playground, name it, diba, in terms of amenities. Ang ating developer ay PA Properties, partnered with a Japanese company called Hankyu Hanshin. Kaya yung mga model natin, minimalist siya. So, I'm going to show you yung pagpipilian nyo rito. Sora single attached at saka yung Siyama townhouse. Dalawa lang naman yun guys, pagpipilian nyo. Disclaimer po, the turnover of this unit ay tinatawag nating bare unit. Pag bare type, meaning to say, ikaw yung magpapagawa ng interior. Wala po siyang tiles, wala po siyang paint, wala siyang partition, wala siyang ceiling. Pagdating sa loob ng bahay, ng interior, ikaw lahat ang bahala. Ikaw ang magde-design. So, ang advantage nun, mas affordable yung TCP. And at the same time, ikaw yung mamimili ng tiles na gusto mo ng color, ng design, ng interior sa bahay mo. Yun naman po yung advantage niya. So, let's go guys, and let's start with the Yama Townhouse and then followed by Sora Single Attached. Papakita ko lang quickly yung kanyang actual turnover. Okay, let's go. There you have it, guys, a very quick house tour sa ating Yama Townhouse at Sora Single Attached. Na nakita nyo naman, bare na bare po yung kanyang turnover. So, ang maganda doon, you can be creative kung paano may design yung interior mo, di ba guys? So, pag-usapan natin yung kanyang updated sample combination. Let's start with the Yama Townhouse. So, ito po yung sample combination ni Yama Townhouse. Nakikita nyo sa screen ngayon, guys, yung kanyang affordable monthly, o diba? So, tayo po ngayon ay naka-bank financing. Pag yan wala bang pag-ibig, for the meantime po, bank financing po yung ating ina-accent dito, okay? Kasi po, sa pag-ibig, masyadong maliit lang yung kanyang loanable. So, ang ginawa ni developer, yung bank computation, yun yung mas mababa, yung pwedeng bayaran ng buyer na down payment. Tapos, yung loanable amount is pwede rin namang ma-stretch up to 20 years yung ating terms. Ayan. Tapos, andyan din guys, yung kanyang required income. O, diba? Very affordable po ni Yama Townhouse. Meron ka ng car garage. Kasya po yung 4 wheels, kahit SUV, kahit van, kasya-kasya sa harap mo. Okay? So, yan po si Yama Townhouse. Kung ang gusto mo naman yung mas malaki, yung lot area at floor, doon tayo kay Sora Single Attached. Ayan po yung sample combination ni Sora Single Attached. O, diba? Affordable din siya, given na malaki yung kanyang lot area. Meron kang garden space, diba? Kapag kasi single attached, mas makakapag, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng garden space, ng area for lanay, mas magagawa mo yun sa single attached. Kung afford mo yung competition, kung pasok ka sa required income, mag-Sora Single Attached ka, diba? At syempre, gaya ng sabi ko guys, kung gusto nyo humabol dito ngayong December, hopefully bago mag-price increase. Kasi po, per developer, magkakaroon po ng price increase ang Idesha sa Nusa del Monte by next year, possible ngayong New Year. So, habulin natin yun guys, mag-reserve na tayo. Pwede naman po natin i-try i-process yung online kung hindi ka makapunta dito. Basta kontakin mo lang ako para ma-process natin yung iyong reservation, okay? Whether online or on-site, at least 1 to 2 days before, kung magpapatripping ka sa akin para ma-book yan sa ating calendar. Okay guys? So again, my name is Nicole. All you to do is to contact me directly sa aking Viber and WhatsApp number. At kung ang gamit mo ay Messenger, okay lang naman, kontakin mo ako sa Facebook Messenger. May blue check yan, legit yan. Ako yan, wala na iba guys. Okay? Just mention Idesha sa Nusa del Monte or Yama Townhouse or Sora Single Attached. Okay? And if you have any other questions, reach out to me. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you soon.